Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a website shortcut in Google Chrome. Super fast and tailored for the 2025 interface. Let's get right into it, but before doing it, I'm requesting you to hit that subscribe button. So first of all, open the Google Chrome browser. So I'm just searching here Chrome by clicking on the start menu and then open the browser. And then visit the website that you wanna add shortcut for. For example, I'm just typing here youtube.com and then normally it will open the web interface. And after that, normally click on the top right corner. Here you will get a three-dot bar and just click on it. And from here, choose cast, save and share. And from here, normally you have to choose create shortcut. And if you choose it, you have to provide a name here. I'm providing the name as YouTube and just clicking on this create button. And now it will be saved to the desktop of your computer. So if I show you all of the icons on my desktop, here you can see that my desktop is super clean. Just I'm gonna visible all of them. So here you can see that an icon named YouTube has been created. So this is the shortcut of YouTube from Google Chrome browser. If I click on it, it will open from the Google Chrome browser, with youtube.com. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to create a shortcut on Google Chrome web browser. Allah Hafiz.